This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your Vivo S1 Pro for a safe system update. Charge the phone to at least 50% before you begin the process. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular data charges. Free up at least 3 GB of internal storage to accommodate typical OTA downloads. Backup photos, contacts, and messages to cloud or local storage before proceeding. Note your current Android version in settings so you can verify successful installation later. Open Settings, then tap System Update and check for available updates now. If an update appears, review the listed changelog and note the OTA file size. Download the update only over Wi-Fi to prevent excess mobile charges. Keep the battery above 50% or connect a charger during download and installation. Once the download completes, tap Install and allow the device to reboot automatically. Do not interrupt the installation and wait until the phone finishes the update process. After the phone reboots, open Settings and confirm the new build number. Verify system stability by testing calls, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and camera functions for normal operation. Update all apps from Google Play to ensure compatibility with the new system version. If you notice slowdowns, clear app caches or restart the device once more. Restore any backed up contacts, messages, or media that you previously saved. If major issues persist, consider a factory reset after backing up all data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.